Millions of eggs arrive here every day. Every egg is carefully inspected first. Automation keeps the entire process moving. The eggs are aligned one by one. Multiple lanes handle thousands of eggs at once. Special scanners check for hidden defects. Handling reveals what's happening inside. High-speed cameras inspect every egg. Robotic systems handle the eggs with precision. Each egg is weighed automatically. Automated lifters move entire trays at once. The trays now head toward incubation. The trays are stacked for climate control. Temperature and humidity are tightly controlled. The eggs are moved deeper into the facility. The eggs are prepared for incubation. The racks are moved into incubation zones. Incubation begins inside climate-controlled chambers. Inside, the embryos slowly begin to develop. Blood vessels confirm healthy development. Technicians closely examine embryo growth. The eggs are sorted for the next stage. The loaded racks return to incubation. The final incubation phase begins. The eggs are gently rotated during incubation. Warmth and humidity support healthy growth. After weeks of incubation, hatching finally begins. The chicks must break free on their own. Newly hatched chicks are weak and exhausted. Hundreds of chicks hatch every hour. The chicks rest before gaining strength. Soon, the chicks become active and alert. The hatchers are now full of newborn chicks. The chicks are transferred for processing. The leftover shells are removed immediately. All equipment is cleaned and sanitized. The chicks are moved to the processing line. The chicks enter the automated processing system.
Workers carefully guide the chicks through processing.
Thousands of chicks move through the line each hour. The chicks receive early protective vaccination. Some vaccines are given individually.
The chicks continue through the automated system.
Digital sensors count every chick automatically. The chicks are packed for transport. Each box is carefully divided for safe transport. The transport boxes are sealed and secured. Each shipment is labeled for delivery. The boxed chicks are prepared for transport. The chicks wait in a controlled environment before shipping. Temperature and humidity remain carefully controlled. Random health inspections are performed before shipment. Technicians check the chicks for healthy development. Detailed inspections help identify healthy chicks. Hydration gel helps the chicks during transport. Even the leftover shells are recycled. The chicks are now ready for delivery. The transport trucks stay climate controlled. The chicks begin their journey to poultry farms. The chicks are transported shortly after hatching. The destination is a commercial poultry farm. The chicks arrive at the growing facility. Strict biosecurity protects the young flock. The poultry house is fully prepared before placement. The chicks are introduced to their new environment. The chicks quickly begin exploring the barn.
The chicks quickly learn where to drink.
Feed is available immediately after placement. Temperature control is critical for young chicks.
The chicks grow rapidly during the first days.
Automated systems deliver feed across the entire barn. Within weeks, the birds reach rapid growth stages. Ventilation keeps the barn environment stable. Automated feeders supply food throughout the barn. Feeding systems are adjusted as the birds grow. The flock now fills the entire poultry house. Workers regularly inspect bedding conditions. The birds are monitored throughout their growth cycle. Bird weights are checked regularly. Automated systems distribute feed across the farm. Workers inspect the flock every day. By day 41, the birds are nearly market ready. The collection crew prepares for transport. Every stage is monitored from a central control room.